Aussie USD, now we are based on daily chart. We want to see how we can analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, now based on the daily chart, as we can see, we had the price drop. Now we have a correction. Now that we want to see whether the price still can drop or from here can move up. In this case, we move to forward chart. Okay, based on the forward chart, now we want to see if this is the only move to down, that's mean 1 2 3, that's mean this one is a finish, and in that case we can look for uptrend, that's mean we have one move with the correction. This is the first option. All right, the second option can be here, we can have expect to have a deeper correction, and if we have a deeper correction, that's mean that we expect the price can drop again. All right, now we want to see how we can trade this one. Okay, in this case we move to 1 hour chart. Just now we explained based on the forward chart that if this is the only move to down, and if we expect the price from here can move up, then how we can trade this correction. Okay, again, now we don't have any trade setup based on this correction because we are not sure how corrective can be here. But what we can see right now, the first based on this one is if we had this is the move and this is the correction, and based on what the information we have right now, if this is the only correction, that's mean 1 2 3. All right, that's mean within this one, in that case this is the one is moving up. This is the one option based on the lower time frame. The another one, as I say, this correction can be more corrective. That means there is a possibility that the price move higher than here or a bit higher. Then we get 1 2 3, 1 2 3 as a correction within this. That means we should expect the price to drop one more. In that case, we will get the more complex correction before the price can move up. Again, that means this correction can be only this, the price can move up, or can be more complex. That means the price come here, we get one move 2 3, the price drop, we get more complex correction before the price move up. Anyway, how we going to trade this one? We need to wait this correction to show us, to give us a trade setup before we trade, because right now we don't have any trade setup whether for buy or for sell. Okay, but next week if the market open, if there is any trade setup within this range, do we need to trade? It depends on the traders. For me, I'm not interested, but if anyone they trade within this range, as long as the price come to this level, if they see that is not moving, they take out the trade, because there is a possibility for the reversal to give us a more complex correction. And if we see the price come to here or somewhere, even here or somewhere around here, if we see the trade setup for sell, we can take it. And if we get the sell setup, as long as we move into the profit, we move our stop loss into break even, because we are not sure that sell is the one can come to here then reverse, or no, come here and can have a continuation. Because based on the forward chart, we see there is a two option. The first option, the price from here can move up. The second option, we get deeper correction for one move down. All right, anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now here, and then when the market open, we want to see how this correction can form, and then from there we can make a decision to look for trade. In this case, we just follow the market. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.